2008 Suzuki 175, DF 175. Had a failed IAC, idle air control mechanism here. Had two open pins. The sensor pins were open. Runs pretty good. Goes into gear like it's supposed to and all that. Two things on this. Number one, the hanger to pull the motor in and out is missing. It's not leaking here or anything, but the whole hasp is missing. That's number one. Number two, having a very bad time trying to open up the gear case to check the gear oil. This was all barnacled up right here. So I have it soaking. I've been tapping it, and I gotta be nice to it. And I need to get that open so we can service the gear case. Other than that, she works the way she's supposed to. Forward gear. Neutral. Reverse gear. And she has a telltale. So there you have it.